Hello and welcome back to another video, and today we've got a really exciting one. So we've got this Lego Speed Champions. It's a Lamborghini. Not sure how you pronounce it. Is it Countach? Countach? Let me know in the comments how you pronounce it properly. But basically, this is your reminder to enjoy yourself and do what you love, do what you enjoy, guys. And yes, I'm a teacher, and yes, loads of videos on here about teaching. But today we're building this Lego set, and hopefully we're gonna have a lot of fun while doing it, because that's what you should do at your weekend, something that you enjoy. So let's get straight into it. So we just finished making it. I've realised my phone cut out. So sadly we didn't get the whole thing, but here is the finished article. Lamborghini, and you know what? It's taken me about half an hour and I've just had the best time. It's just something that relaxes me and I've not done it in so long. So, a bit squeaky as you can hear as it rolls. Yeah, I've not done it for so long. And you know what? I'm quite proud of it. I think that's a pretty good looking Lamborghini right there. Got some bits that move. Quite happy with it. So there you go. My one question to you, if you are a Lego expert, Lego whatever it is there normally this many spare pieces? Because I don't feel like there should be, but I also know I've done every single one of the instructions and this is complete. So let me know if you build Lego a lot, is there normally this many spares? Is from both packets? And if so, why is it just to help us out? Like there's 2 visors, there's only 1 character, but they put 2 visors in, so I know they are spares. But is it just to help us out just in case I get it wrong, or what is it for? Let me know in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching, guys. A new video on a Tuesday, Friday and a Sunday. I'll be back with more teaching videos very soon, but I just thought I'd do a few of ones that are about a bit of the stuff. So hopefully you've enjoyed them, and yeah, see you very soon.